when you have this kind of consensus view of something, it's because you have multiple observations that all fit a particular hypothesis. And by changing one of them, by changing the explanation of one of them, you tend to mess the whole other thing up. You mess the wider description of multiple phenomena up. You mess it all up. So it's quite hard to find other theories at the moment that will fit all of those different observations. I mean, another example would be the age of things. It's interesting that we can measure the age of the Earth, right? And you measure it from geological processes, radioactive dating and so on, and you can kind of measure the age of the Earth. You can measure the age of the sun in a different way. You can measure it by looking at called helioseismology. So you can measure how much helium is in the core of the sun. And the sun shines by making helium from hydrogen. So by measuring the amount of helium in the core, by looking at basically sound waves, it's like an earthquake, but sun quakes, you can measure how much helium's in there so you can get an estimate of the age of the sun.